Okay, so this is for everyone's reference in the Megamix cube. So what sides to solve first? This video will tell you about this. So first we'll start from white side. So we'll solve the complete white side like this, completely solve. After that we'll keep the white side on bottom and then we'll solve the yellow side. So we'll solve the complete yellow side. After solving the yellow side, we will be solving all the edges touching to this yellow side. So this is yellow side. So all the edges touching to this. See this one, and this one. So this one. So all these edges. So basically this layer. So this complete layer, which is touching to this yellow layer, this complete layer we will be solving. So these centers are already solved, so we will be only solving the edges. So this one, and this one. So we will be solving these edges. Similarly, after solving this yellow side, we'll keep the white on bottom. We'll move to right side, to this blue side. So we'll solve blue. Then again we'll solve all the layers or all the edges touching to this. So this one is already solved. We'll solve then this one. Then we'll solve this one also. So once this is solved, so we'll be solving this part. Then we'll move to red side. We'll solve the red complete side. Then this edge piece, this edge piece. This will be already solved. Then we'll move to green side. We'll solve the complete green side. So solving any side means first making a star of that and then solving the corners. So we'll solving the corners and then again we will be solving all the edges touching to this green layer. So this one already solved. This one we will be solving, and then this one we will be solving. Similarly, so this will be automatically solved. Once you solve this edge and this corner, this will be solved. So by doing this, all these layers touching to white side, so these all layers will be solved. After the white layer is solved, then we will be solving these edge pieces also, remaining edge pieces, if they are left. If any of the edge pieces or any pieces are left, we will be solving that, so that only this layer is left unsolved. Only the top gray layer left unsolved. And the next step will be, we will be making a gray star on the top layer, or whatever the color is on the top. I am having gray, so I am calling it gray star. So gray star means this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. These 5 pieces I will be just bringing it on top. It's not mandatory to match the edges. So we will be only bringing the edges on top. So the colors on top should be gray. And the next step will be, we will be matching the edges. This edge will be matching, this will be matching, then this, and then this. After that, once the edges will be matched, then we will be making the complete face gray, like this is right now. So we will not be completely solving the corners, but only making the face gray, means all the corner pieces should be gray on top. After that step is done, then we will be solving the corners. So these are all the steps that are required to solve the Megamix cube.